Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
Over a quarter of Asian Pacific emerging giant startup died to blockchain report. KPMG or HSBC survey finds entities and DeFi are more popular with Asian Pacific big startup than a fee charging. Quantum computing and a host of other new technologies. The Asia-Pacific region is seeing a major business shift with increasing number of the new technology startups appearing. Even as venture capital investment is decreasing compared to last year, a report from Big Four accountant KPMG, an international banking company HSBC based on survey of 6,472 Asian Pacific startup found that over a quarter of them are blockchain related. Fungible tokens or NFTs led the way among sectors where Asian Pacific emerging giants were active, followed directly by decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, electric vehicles, charging infrastructure, quantum computing, and robotic processing. Automation rounded out the top 5 sectors. Blockchain, real estate, and decentralized autonomous organization (DAO) ranked 14th and 50th respectively on the same list. Despite their strong collective presence, blockchain-related companies were most common in the lower ranks. Among the top 1,000 emerging giants, only 5 were blockchain-related and only one, Hong Kong's Chatham Gaming, applied to our platforms. Ranked in the top 10 in 80th place, 2 crypto financial service unicorns, Hong Kong's Ambers Group and Singapore Matrixport, did not make it into the top 1,000. The report looked at 11 Asian Pacific countries, which accounted for 94.8% of all companies surveyed. The majority of the new technologies companies were located in mainland China, 32.8%, and India, 80.1%, Japan, 12.7%, and Australia, 8.7%. Thailand in 3rd and 4th place. The report explained the continuing growth of Asia's middle classes and especially the emergence of Gen Z consumers will be the biggest single factor driving digital economies across the region. But Asia's more prosperous again societies will also be rich source of innovation. The most successful companies are focusing on local specializations. The report notes, citing China's capabilities in the piloting and testing digital platforms. As an example, although China has banned cryptocurrency trading, it CNY, central bank digital currency is accepted by more than 4.5 million merchants across the country. India allows crypto trading but has complicated traders' life without punishing tax regime. Over a quarter of Asian Pacific emerging giant startups tied to blockchain report. XPMG or HSBC surface fine entities and DeFi are more popular with ASEAN Pacific big startups and then AV charging, quantum computing, and a host of other new technologies. The Asia Pacific region is seeing a major business shift with increasing number of new technologies startups appearing. Even as venture capital investment is decreasing compared to last year. A report from Big Four accountant KPMG and international banking company HSBC based on survey of 6.72 ASEAN Pacific startup found that over a quarter of them are blockchain related. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs led the way among sectors where Asia Pacific emerging giants were active, followed directly by decentralized finance, also known as DeFi.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.